Hi everybody, it's me again, the girl from the last video. I know in my last video I promised to make more videos because I would like to educate people about my new country, South Sudan. And a lot of people don't know where South Sudan is, and people don't even know the kind of language that we speak in South Sudan, not knowing that in South Sudan we do speak Arabic, but our Arabic is very different, is very unique, classy, and very fun to speak, and is very simple, very easy to learn. All right, so we speak Arabic, but it's not the same as the classic Arabic, I would call it, or we call it in our country, classic Arabic, which is Arabic like the Egyptian Arabic, the Lebanese Arabic, or the Iranian Arabic. Is way different than our Arabic, or the kind of Arabic that we speak in South Sudan. All right, so from my first video I taught you guys how to greet somebody in Arabic Juba. So in Arabic Juba, for instance, in classic Arabic, for instance, you say marhaban kayf al hal. All right, this is hi, how are you doing? But in Arabic Juba you say salam kayf, or salam ita kayf, how are you? All right, so but in this video I will teach you how to say mom, dad, sister, and brother. All right, so to say mom in Arabic Juba, there's two ways you can say mom in Arabic Juba. The first way, you can say mama, very simple, mama, that's it, excuse me. And then the second way, the second way, you can say you miss, you miss. So people usually, the younger ones, let's say from age 1 until 20 or so, they call their mom mama, mama, mama. All right, so for those who are 30s and up, or those who don't really feel comfortable calling their mom mama anymore because of the age or something, they call their mom yumes, yumes. All right, or if the mother is older, now you call them yumes. All right, so it depends on how you want to call your mom, right? Some people call them mama, some call them yumes, mama or yumes. Okay, and dad is baba, baba, or yebis, yebis. It's the same thing, depends on how you feel. All right, so let me just review, go back a little bit. So mom is mama and dad is yebis. All right, and to say my mother, you say umatai, umatai, my mother. To say my dad is abu tai, abu tai. All right, so mom is mama or yebis, and dad is baba, sorry, mom is mama or yumes. Sorry, mom is mama or yumes, and dad is baba or yebis. All right, to say sister is ochot, ochot, very simple, just say ochot, ochot. Okay, to say my sister is ochot tai, ochot tai, my sister. Ahu tai, ahu tai is my brother, my brother, ahu tai. And to just say brother is ah, ah, or ahu, ahu, ahu is brother. And sister is ochot, ochot. Okay, my sister ochot tai, my brother ahu tai. Okay, and that's pretty much it for today. And like my videos, if you like them, like them, and if you don't like them, dislike them, or you can subscribe or leave a comment. And if you would like me to make more videos, just tell me and I will make more videos, which it will happen, because I want people to know about my country. I want people to learn about South Sudan, because not a lot of people know about it. It's a new country, so I want it to be famous, just like Canada or United States. I want my country to also be famous, you know, good in a good way or a bad way. I just want people to know about my culture, about the language that we speak there, what kind of people we are, Obviously we're normal people just like you are, but with the things that we do there, if you want to learn about the culture, I will be speaking about it. I'll be making more videos about it, so I would like your support. Please like my videos and leave a comment, and if you have any other question or you want to learn something, just let me know and I will write it to you, or I will respond back in a video like this. All right, so let's just go back again. My mother is Umatai, or to say mother is my mother, yeah, Umatai. My mother Umatai. Mom, mama. Mom, mama. Or you can say Yumes. Yumes, okay? Abu is dad. Baba. Baba. Abutai, my father. Abutai, my father. Ochot is sister. Ochot is sister. My sister is Ochotai. Ochotai, my sister. Okay? Aku Tai is my brother. Aku Tai is my brother. So there you go. This is enough for today, and I will upload more videos here and there to teach you guys some few things. Whenever I have time, I will just make more videos. I will teach you guys about South Sudan. Okay, I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to like them and to leave comment, and I will see you guys later. All right, I'm out. Bye bye.